crispy 100% healthy cookies made from tiger nut flour, and you are able to achieve this after washing your tiger nuts thoroughly. Soak it overnight, then have it blended into smooth paste. Sieve it, then the shaft, don't throw it away. It's what we are going to make use of. Just spread it. Make sure all liquid is extracted from it. Spread it on a tray, then dry it or dehydrate it for like 6 to 8 hours. Here, after 8 hours, it's completely dried. Look at, it's turned into a fine powder. You don't end it here. You have to blend it into smooth powder, a smoother version of the husk. Now that you have the powder, it is now time to take you through how the magic happens. It is time for you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We're going to use the tiger nut husk to make cookies. This is the tiger nut husk blended, then oat flour to bind it, or you can use Ceylon husk. Then we'll be needing peanut butter, some oil, vegetable oil, then milk. In case it becomes too thick, we're going to use milk. We're using tiger nut milk. Then we have chia seed instead of eggs. Then we have some chopped softened dates fruit. So now we're just going to do justice by mixing all of them. So first and foremost, we'll be needing 1 cup of tiger nut husk. We've not I'd like to sieve it. It's well grinded, smooth, but we'll still need to sieve it. You know, it's very coarse in nature. It has this nutty aroma. So we won't be needing this shaft. We're measuring 1/2 cup of oat flour to mix with it. Mix, mix, mix. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix, mix, mix. A spoon of peanut butter. This is chia seed. Instead of eggs, we're using chia seed. Then the date chunks. A spoon of oil instead of butter. So now we'll mix together. If it's too dry, we're going to bind it with the milk. It seems too dry, so we're going to add milk. Just in bits until we get the consistency that we want. You don't need sugar since there's date in it, but if you are a sweet tooth, you can add just 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. You need to be careful so it doesn't get watery. Normally, tiger nut powder is gluten free, so it doesn't really bind. That's why we mix it with oat flour. If you're not so keen on low carbs, you can just use a normal baking flour to mix it up, or if you are very into low carbs, just use Ceylon husk to mix it, and you'll find out that it won't be too coarse. It's going to bind. Okay, I think this is perfect. This seems very okay, not so sweet. Okay, so this is perfect. So now we've run into ball. We're going to leave it to sit for like 10 minutes because tiger nut is extremely dried. It needs to absorb the moisture. So leave it for like 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can now roll them into balls and bake as cookies. See you in 10 minutes. Nice. So it's been 10 minutes. It's time for us to roll. We're just going to roll into smaller balls, then we'll flatten it and bake. We're going to bake for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's softer than before. Wow. At this point, it has absorbed all the available moisture. It's now softer than before. Easy to roll. It's either you do it this way or you knead it flat and cut into shapes. So whichever way is better for you. This is ready. We're just going to mash it. Mash it flat and bake. This is just to make incision on top. Already it's sweet, but if you are a sweet tooth or if you're not into pure low carbs, no sugar, because we already have chunks of dates in it, I just sprinkle some sugar on top. I'll leave the first three because the cookies are sweet already. So now we're going to bake in the oven for 160 degrees if you're using air fryer at 10 to 15 minutes, or 180 degrees if you're using the normal oven at 10 to 15 minutes. So see you in 15 minutes time. So our cookies are ready. Once we sprinkle of sugar, the ones that are whole. So cookies are better off if when it's cool. Once they're cool, they become crispy. See how it looks like? Wow, this is beautiful. Tastes just right. Not too sweet. Just okay. It's nice. One thing you need to know about this tiger nut husk is that it's very high in fiber. It means it improves our bowel movement. It helps the body absorb carbohydrates slowly. Tell us what you know about tiger nut husk.